What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. The fitness, you guessed it, you can eat. So today we are going full on healthy. We are making banana oatmeal cookies. Let's get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. Alright, so first we're going to start with the bananas. I've already put 2 in the bowl, so I'm just going to add 1 more. We're going to mash the 3 bananas together, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. This is such an easy recipe. It is literally just throw everything in and bake them off and enjoy. Alright, so now the bananas are all mashed up. They're ready to go. I'm really just going to add all the rest. So first, well, actually it doesn't matter what you start with, but I'm going to put in the applesauce, the vanilla, the milk, almond milk, and the raisins. I'm going to stir this up and then add the oats and the cinnamon in about 5 seconds. Oh look, 5 seconds. Alright, so cinnamon and the oats. Like I said, totally easy. So the batter is all mixed and ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is obviously put it on the pan. So I've got a sweet little silicone sheet here, silicone, and I'm just going to scoop them out into pretty decent circular shapes because they're not actually going to rise. So whatever shape they're in right now, that's what they're pretty much going to stay in. And also because of that reason, you don't have to worry about overcrowding, which is great. So obviously because these are just banana and raisins in terms of sweetness, they're not going to be your average sweetness of cookie. That's why I said they're great for like breakfast. If you ever want to do that, you need something quick on the go. There you go. You get your oats in there as well. Alright, so these are going to go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Here we go.
A few moments later.
There you go. Why do I always present them like that? But there you go.
That's it.
Anyway, we'll take it as it is. They're done. They're amazing. Now come take a look at this. I hope you can see it in the light. But they're really chewy. They're even better in the morning after that. So good. You have to give them a try, like I always say. So good. Really? Really? Okay, yeah. Well, you see, they're so good. So good. Anyway, listen guys. Before you go and make these, do not forget to hit that like button, comment below, tell me what you think about these. Subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new, tasty, nutritious videos just like this one. That is it. I'm gonna go and sit down and eat a couple of these, and I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye!